Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the simple fix for this. So first is you have to click on the start button and you have to go to settings or click on the settings icon. Then here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click Windows Update, which is the very last option there. And simply click this button right here. So we need to make sure we are running the latest version of our operating system. In short, our Windows is updated. And once updated, close this. And then try to install the Visual Studio again. Because once our Windows is updated, we rarely face an issue with our Windows. So try on that first. And for the second method is if you have installed and you are using any of the third-party antivirus softwares like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, then we can try to temporarily disable that because that might block or interrupt the installation process. So we are going to temporarily disable that now. And how we can do that? Just simply click on the show hidden icons in the taskbar. This arrow. So here you can find the Malwarebytes. In your case, it could be any of the third-party antivirus software. It could be Avast or McAfee. So what you can do, you just need to simply make a right click and select the quit option. And after you have done that, that will just temporarily disable the antivirus that you are using. And after you have temporarily disabled it, then just try to install the Visual Studio again. And for the next method is we can also run the System File Checker Scan or the SFC Scan. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this block window, elevated command prompt with administrative rights, you need to type in here this command, SFC space / scan now. It's SFC space / scan now. Hit enter. So the System File Checker Scan, this will scan for and fix any system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. So while the process is going on, is you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize it by using the minimize button and then do your other task on your Windows, but you should not close it. And once the process has been 100% completed and is successful, then you just need to simply close out of here, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, then you just need to try installing the Visual Studio again or install the Visual Studio again. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.